Good afternoon again, Seth Gary with Access Tonneau Covers here. Just want to show you guys our new Adarac aluminum series here. We have the normal aluminum Adarac, which is going to have an angled upright right here to go with the cab of the truck. If you don't have any covers on there or anything like that, but if you do have a solid trifold cover or a soft vinyl cover and you just want to be able to use it with a cover, we have the Adarac Pro right here. As you can see, it's going to be an anodized aluminum rails on here, aluminum finish uprights, and aluminum bars. With the installation of this product right here, you're going to have a no drill installation. It goes right into the stake pocket holes. It'll have 3 aluminum chunks that will slide down into the stake pocket hole just like a pyramid, and you'll bolt that in there. So it is Ford compatible. You don't have to worry about any corrosion or anything like that. So once you get this secured onto your vehicle, it'll actually slide back and forth depending on what you guys are hauling. When you're hauling stuff, you can easily adjust the length of it to suit your needs, depending on if you're hauling a ladder, piping, 2x4s, or anything like that.